Welcome back to Cooking Vegan with Johanny, and today I'm going to show you how to make mini croffles.
These delicious treats were made popular as a South Korean street food. Mines have made them vegan and plant-based, and you can enjoy them at any time. So
I made some blueberry flavor and a strawberry flavor. You're going to love them. These croffles are made out of croissants, and we're going to put them in the waffle maker. So that's what makes it croissant waffles, croffles, okay? We're using the Immaculate brand. This has no bleach flour, no artificial flavor, no preservatives. There's 8 rolls in here, okay? These are quick and easy to make, you guys, so let's get started, all right? So we're gonna open this. So you take the label off first. It's gonna make it pop. There you go. So here we have our croissants. We're gonna roll them out, and these are pre-cut. We're gonna cut them using our pizza cutter. Now, you can keep them like this and roll them up, or you can make them a thicker croissant. So we're gonna go ahead and make them a thicker croissant. And these are so delicious, you guys. Your kids will love them. And you will love them. They're so good. You wanna face the other croissant the same exact way as the other one. So you want them like this. Now we're gonna start rolling these out into croissants. See? You got a perfect croissant right there. These are perfect when you're on the go and you just wanna make a quick breakfast. Me, I prefer the thicker ones. So, but you can do the single ones and it'll give you 8 croffles. When you make them thicker, they give you 4 croissants. So now we're gonna make these into mini bites, okay? So now we're gonna cut them. And what you could do is make them into little squares. Okay, you guys, so now you wanna preheat your waffle iron. Okay, so let it preheat. This waffle maker, it preheats pretty fast. I'm using Cuisine Art. This waffle maker is the best. I make my waffles in it, and as you can see, I'm making my croffles. These are amazing. They're gonna come out amazing. And when you put them in there, you wanna make sure it gets nice and golden brown, and you wanna keep checking it because they can easily get burned. And we're gonna butter this up in the waffle maker. I have some vegan butter I'll be adding. These are gonna come out amazing. So I'm just gonna close it and let it sizzle a little bit before we add our mini bites. And we're gonna be doing 2 different flavors. We're gonna be doing strawberry and blueberry, okay? I'm doing a cream cheese frosting that you can drizzle on top. One will be blueberry cream cheese frosting and the other one will be strawberry cream cheese frosting. Let that get nice and hot. So here we have our strawberry cream cheese frosting and our blueberry cream cheese frosting. And this is how it looks. I use freeze-dried strawberries and freeze-dried blueberries. Okay, now that it's nice and sizzled, we're gonna add our croffle bites to our waffle maker. You want them kind of spaced out because they're gonna spread a little bit. Do your happy dance. Do your happy dance. They're getting there. They're getting there. Perfect. So you want them to look like these.
when it comes to croissants, they're not sweet whatsoever. They're buttery and flaky. What they needed was an extra sweetness to it. So I paired it with some cream cheese frosting. I added some freeze-dried blueberries, and then I did a strawberry flavor. You can add the fruit of your choice, and these came out so amazing, you guys.
And there you have it, mini croffles. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.